Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an unboxing for you. I am subscribed to this box called the Sephora Play Box. So basically this guy is $10 a month and you do get about 5 samples from Sephora. So yeah, these are like my favorite types of videos. I love unboxing videos, so I hope you guys will love them too. If you guys want to see what I got inside my box this month, then let's get started. Got my handy dandy scissors. Why can't I just talk today? So this is what the box looks like when you receive it. This is the month of December, so it's very holiday themed. And what you get is a little pamphlet that lets you know about all the products that you'll be receiving. And in each box you get this little card. It's 50 bonus points, so when you make a purchase at Sephora. So I always love keeping these on the side. They only do last for about a month, so this is going to be expiring next month, so you definitely do want to use these guys. So that's another good perk about this box. So this is what my package looks like. It's very, very cute, nice and Christmassy, and on the back it says open here for warm fuzzy feels to a little something extra. So it's super cute. So let's see what we got this month. And I really love this box just because it kind of gives me the options to try out new products, especially the higher end stuff, especially at Sephora. You know, that stuff is expensive. So the first product I see is this Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. Looks like this. And I've actually never tried the Fresh line, but I hear it's really good, especially with their chapsticks. So it's actually a decent size. How do you open this? Oh. That's a lot of product for a sample. Yeah, so it is very sheer. So this would be perfect just for like an everyday chapstick. And with this pamphlet, gives you the background on each product that you will be receiving. That's number one. All right, the next product in my bag is this Sephora Rouge Cream Lipstick sample. This is in the shade The Red R04. And I just love mini stuff. It makes me want to use them and keep them on my vanity because they're so cute and small. And I've actually never tried Sephora lipsticks either, but here's what that guy looks like. That is a very beautiful red. Yep, definitely very creamy. Gorgeous. Okay, next product. I got this Wander Beauty Glowtion Lotion Illuminatrix. Looks like this. I can already tell I'm probably gonna like this. You guys know I love being illuminated and dewy as hell. So basically what this is you just apply this all over your face for a luminous look or mix with your favorite foundation for a natural glow. So I'm really excited to try this guy as well. Next up is this Rouge Gel Lip Liner from the Sephora collection. Looks like that. Ooh. This one is in the shade Nothin but Nude. Definitely up my alley. Ooh, and it glides so nicely. There's that lip liner right there. Alright guys, we got 2 more products. So the next one I have is this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Perfect. I'm actually really liking everything I'm getting so far. It's a weekly hair treatment that restores hydration and enhances your strand strength. And so basically after you shampoo your hair, you're just going to massage this mask into your hair and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you just rinse it out. So I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried Briogeo, but like I said, everything from Sephora is fucking expensive. And you guys know I'm a girl on a budget, so. Alright guys, the last product I have in my bag is this Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Super stoked about this. I have the peach foundation, which I really like personally. It's a nice dewy finish. It's actually not like matte like they say. It's a soft matte. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this guy out as well. I love the Too Faced line. Everything smells delicious and I like me some good stuff. I got 6 things actually this month, so usually it's about 5. But yeah. For only $10 a month, you get all these nice samples. I have a little drawer where I put all my sample stuffs that I receive, and it's kind of accumulating right now. You know, these are always great for traveling. If you travel a lot, try it out. Definitely try it out. Alright guys, I'll leave everything down below of where you can get the Sephora Play Box if you guys are interested. It's a great value for what you're getting for $10 in my opinion. And yeah. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a very short video today, but I just wanted to throw up something for you guys, and I love unboxing videos. So if you guys want to see more unboxing videos, give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.